In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to create a simple before and after transition effect using the wipe transition in Premiere Pro. First, make sure you have two identical clips on your timeline: your original clip, the before, and your modified clip, the after. On the timeline, place the modified clip on the upper track so it overlaps directly above the original clip. Move the playhead to the exact point where you want the before and after transition to begin. Press C on your keyboard to switch to the razor tool, then click the modified clip at the playhead to cut it. Delete the first half of the modified clip. Next, open the Effects panel. If you don't see it, go to Window, Effects. In the search bar, type Wipe. Find the Wipe Transition preset and drag it to the beginning of the modified clip. Now play the preview and you should see the wipe transition in action. To adjust the border, click the wipe effect on the timeline. Then in the Effect Controls panel, set the border width to whatever you like and change the border color if needed. You can also adjust the transition duration, or simply lengthen it by dragging the wipe transition edge on the timeline. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.